Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be looking at how to add in different icons, looking to add in different arrows, shapes, and other things to help you showcase what's going on in your model. So let's imagine that we're looking at this model here, and I'm somebody who has no idea what's going on with this project. I have somebody who is not really privy to what this unit's all about, and I take a look at this model, and I'm thinking, okay, we got an image of a newt, an image of a plant, an image of a poison sign. What does it all mean? How does it all make sense? Well, this next section is going to be how do we use all those different features to really start making sense and to begin explaining and showing the connection between all of these ideas. So different things we can add in are different text boxes up here. You'll see text boxes, different shapes, and different lines. Now, let's look at text boxes. Text boxes are great for labeling. Text boxes are great for explaining simple ideas. But anytime we create a model, what we shouldn't be doing is adding in a bunch of text. The only time we add text is to add short, quick phrases or ideas to kind of explain what's going on. What we don't do is add sentences upon sentences. We've already done that. You've already explained your ideas up here, and we can change it as we go. But down here, it's all about showing the idea with little explanation, with as little explanation as possible. So let's go ahead and show you how to do text boxes. We click on the text boxes here. Okay, it's going to give you a little plus sign. You can drag and pull to wherever you want the text. And from here, maybe it is an explanation, low poison. Okay. And from here, we now have a label. Okay, you can bold it by hitting the bold. You can change the color. Okay, whatever you want to represent this idea. You can put it on your image. Okay, helping you understand what it is we're looking at. Okay, so now I know we just don't have a newt. We have a low poison newt. Okay, now maybe we need to explain this idea between the plant and the newt. Well, okay, then maybe I need a shape. Maybe I need an arrow shape. They have different sizes, different kinds. We have different arrows pointing in different directions. Okay, maybe we want the newt to say something like, hey, I'm poisonous. Okay, you can use the little text box. Okay, maybe you want to star some big ideas. Maybe you need a unique shape. Maybe you need a triangle to show what's going on in their environment, whatever it may be. But I'm just going to use a very basic arrow here. Okay, and notice it's very similar to an image. I can change the shape. I can change the orientation, so on and so forth. Okay. So in this section, I'm going to show a connection between our low poison newt and our plant. So eats poisonous plant. Okay. Now, notice I'm making a connection here. I'm using very few words. I'm showing this connection here. I can even show a picture of maybe something eating with a face and teeth, whatever it may be. And now I have an idea of what's going on here. Well, now that we have this idea, we've explained the connection between our newt and our plant. We still don't have an understanding as to what is happening here. We have this poison sign. Okay, well, something obviously is going on. Well, maybe, okay, I need to, I don't know, add a new shape. Maybe I'll add a plus sign here, okay? And I'm going to make this plus sign orange to go with the poison levels here. So I'll go to the fill color bucket here, and I'll pick orange, okay? And I'm going to copy a few of these, and I'm going to paste a few of these. So now that I know my dude's getting a little bit more poisonous, okay? And now that I have this idea, I'm going to use another arrow here to show this idea that as he eats this, okay, I'm going to drag and pull, that this is going to have something happen here. And I'm going to make it bigger. So I'm going to make the line orange to match the fact that it's becoming more poisonous. I'm going to change the line to be a lot bigger. So maybe an 8 or a 12. Ooh, 12 is too big. Let's go 8. Okay, and now there's this kind of flow. The low poison who eats this poisonous plant. And from here, they're going to get more poisonous. I could definitely explain this. Maybe I need another text box, okay? Gets more poisonous. And now all of a sudden I can even shift this so it's kind of in line with my arrow. And boom. I've now created, I don't like that. I like that. My model, or at least my initial idea. And from here, I can show this idea that I have a low poison newt, it's eat poisonous plants, and from here it got more poisonous over time, and that's what led to our distant past becoming more poisonous over time. So we've looked at how to add text boxes, how to add different shapes, how to add different lines, how to change the colors of things, how to change the size, and everything else. If you have any other quick tips or things that you feel we could use, or if you have any questions or you just want to double check things, go ahead and reach out to me. Otherwise, that's how we obviously go ahead and create our model. I recommend at this point making sure that your model matches what you wrote and that all your big ideas are in there. Otherwise, make sure you look at all the rest of the videos, okay, before completing the reflection section from here. Again, if you have questions, reach out. Otherwise, good luck.